In today's video, I will walk you through how to fill a table with color in Google Docs. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. Google Docs is a free tool you can use in your web browser by visiting the official Google Docs website and signing in with your Google account. Once you're in, you can open an existing document or create a new blank one to get started. To begin, go to the top menu and click Insert. From the drop-down, choose Table and select the number of rows and columns you want. The table will appear right inside your document. Next, click the edge of the row you want to color so it becomes selected. Then, look at the toolbar at the top and click the paint bucket icon, which is used for fill color. A color palette will appear. Pick any color you want, and the row will instantly update. You can repeat this for other rows if you want to separate information more clearly. Using color in tables helps organize data and makes key details easier to spot at a glance. Thank you for watching the video.